Howdy, welcome to M2 Antenna Systems. Today we're going to be playing with an ASL 2000 positioner, a high-frequency antenna that operates from 1 to 18 gigahertz, and a low-frequency log periodic antenna that operates from 100 megahertz to 1 gigahertz, and the backing RF electronics that goes with these. So here you can see a 6-foot reflector along with the broadband feed and the log periodic. You can also see the ASL 2000. You can see the control system right over here. And now let's sneak around back and go look at the electronic. So as you can see, we bring in the high frequency signals from 1 to 18 gigahertz from the main reflector here, and those get connected into the vertical and horizontal polarity input ports of the electronics. We also bring in the low frequency signals here that come from the log periodic antenna, and again, vertical and horizontal are the inputs. We have polarity selection switches and medium gain amplifiers for each of the low frequency path and the high frequency path, and if necessary we can actually switch from low to high power, low to high gain, and let's have a look at that. The signals come out there and they go into an I/O panel right here, the upper I/O panel, which then carries them down to the lower I/O panel. And then from there, they go through the interfacility interconnect cables, which we don't have here. When they land inside the operations building, they go into an RF amplification and distribution chassis. Let's have a look at that. So I just connected to horizontal polarity. So if you look right here, you'll see that I've selected vertical. So I'm going to shift to horizontal and let's see if we get a signal. And there's our signal. Now if the signal's not good enough, we can remote control that and send it to high gain mode. And we'll look over there again and see if we went to high gain mode. So everything from the software to the RF electronics to the system and all the mechanics that go with it is developed here in-house. And let's go back to low gain mode for the moment. So the next thing I'm going to be doing later today is connecting the output from there to the input over here and running it through and testing out the high frequency output ports and the low frequency output ports on this unit right here. Thank you once again for visiting M2 Antenna Systems, and come to us for all of your RF electronics needs. Have a great day.